In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best touring bike available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best touring bike, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Touring Bike. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. 630 EVRYjourney Steel Bike. Hybrid bike for women combines the features of a comfort bike and a commuter bicycle, comes 85% assembled. 3-speed Shimano internal hub with easy-to-use Nexus shifter enables you to handle longer distances and moderate hills for all of your rides. Low, swooping 17.5-inch steel frame with easy step-through puts you in an upright riding position on your cruiser and keeps your back, knees, and shoulders comfortable. 26-inch wheels and 2-inch semi-slick tires provide excellent roll and a cushioned, stable ride. Number 4. KGK Folding Electric Bike. 350W powerful motor and long mileage. Professional 7-speed drivetrain. The adult electric bike is equipped with the 36V10.4 a lithium battery. Suspension front fork. Removable basket. Dual brake system. 1 to 4 pedal assist levels and throttle. Safer for night rides. Number 3. Casulo Electric Mountain Bike. 7-speed gear shift system. 36V/10.4 a removable lithium battery. 350W powerful rear wheel hub motor, maximum speed 32 km/h 20 mph. The high-quality, wear-resistant tires impress with their smooth running. Suspension absorbers effectively filter out vibrations during bump road sections and improve the riding comfort. Removable front and rear rack. Front fork, coil suspension. Number 2. Tommaso Siena Shimano Tourney Gravel Bike. Aluminum compact frame combined with an SST steel fork for maximum durability, backed up with our industry-leading lifetime frame and fork warranty. Powerful performance and speed. We have added wider 700x40C tires for added versatility and stability on rougher terrain. Tommaso TC20D rims offer the rugged durability of a 28-spoke rim that can handle all types of terrain and keep rolling. Number 1. Tommaso Sentiero Shimano Claris Gravel Bike. Aluminum compact frame combined with an SST steel fork for maximum durability. Powerful performance and speed. Tommaso TC20D rims and offer the rugged durability of a 28-spoke rim that can handle all types of terrain and keep rolling. The Sentiero is also equipped with Avid BB5 disc brakes for added stopping power in adverse weather conditions, making this bike perfect for all weather and terrain conditions. Optimized fit for added comfort.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.